Ladies and gentlemen, hi! My name is Good Bujibis at nagbabalik na naman tayo sa panibagong video. Ito ang episode 2 ng Only You Are Here? Or I don't know. But if you guys remember last episode, we found this Morse code and I challenge you guys to solve it. At the same time, I challenge myself to solve it because I have a past experience sa pagbasa sa Morse code. Based of what I read or sa pagkakaintindi ko rito, ang nakasulat rito is this is the right way to heaven. Wait lang. THIS. Oo nga, this is the right way to heaven. Yeah. Tapos kung ano man yung nakasulat rin dito sa baba is the same Morse code rin kung ano yung nakasulat sa taas. So, remember that we found a key and we found this also. Ngayon, yung theory natin dito is maybe yung ghost na nagpapakita sa atin baka kailangan ng tulong. Baka kailangan niya ng tulong natin. You don't have to follow the road you're being led. Wait, what? Oh. Ay, pwede ako pumunta rito. Can I go? Can I go home? Should I follow you? Maybe. Maybe he needs help. He or she or a attack helicopter needs help. Oh god, I hate this. Hey man, I'm here to help. Stop. Stop it. Saan yung susi? Oh, mama. Stop it. Saan natin nanin yung susi? Dito ba? Nope. Is there something we are missing? Ay, wait. Ilaw ba yan? I feel like that's a ilaw. Do we go back in here? Oh! Tama ba? No. I feel like yun eh. Ito. Wait, what? This? Oh, I feel like I know na. Ito yata. There you go. Nice. Nice. Ano natin dito? Crap. Okay. Just look down. Whatever you do, don't look everywhere. Hello? Am I alive? Pwede ba nating hulaan na lang to? Hulaan ko to. Hulaan ko to. Hulaan ko to. Never mind. Fine. Hello? Hello? Oh! Galing ako dito. Right? Oh! Oh, I see. Okay, I remember na. Okay. I remember that we need to find... Oh, the first lock is open. Keep moving to find the other. I remember na we need to find 4 keys to open this door. And if we do this, what do we get? I forget. Tagal ko na rin hindi naglaro. As in, I've been busy. Am I gonna go back? Because I remember that went here, right? Yeah, I've been here. Oh, this is new. Oh God. It's a Sifter, Sifter. Oh, God. Ano to? Russian? German? Oh, God. Ano nakasulat? It's a Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube. And I feel like it's either yun yung kailangan natin i-follow or... Oh, goodness. Why? Oh, okay. What? Okay, we're fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. Ifa-follow ulit natin yan. Ito yung room natin, right? Diba? Ito yung something's follow me. That's the one who follows us. And, ayun yung Scepter. AKA Rubik's Cube, by the way. So, it's either ito yung fa-follow natin or yun. Wait lang. Try muna natin to, tas bago yan. Oh my God, I am shaking right now. Why? Why? Why do I have a plan? Ano yun? Ganito ba? No, I'm wrong. So, maybe ganito. I am wrong as well. Why? Hey, mama. Stop it! Yung kung ano man yung meron, may kinalaman dito. Oh, ba yan? Kailangan pa talaga natin tingnan muna yan bago ano? Don't tell me. You don't tell me. You tell me. You tell me. You too. What? Tingnan natin. Tingnan mo, gagana na yan. No. Baliktad. Tama lang. Yeah. Ow. Mali ako. There you go. Yeah. Oh, crap. May cheat code tayo eh, no? Kailangan lang natin tumingin sa baba eh. Oh my God, bakit ang tagal? Oh, wow. New area. Ano ba tayo kailangan dito? Okay. Pattern pa din. Hello? Piano! Guys, marunong ako mag-piano, guys. Hey, ghost. Hi. Ay! No! Marunong ako mag-piano. Kung gusto mo ako mag-piano. But on the stage. Oh, what? Christmas tree. Hi. Ay, may elevator dun. No, it's a drone. Bet may tubig dun. I don't know. Ano siya? Oh, what is this? Something's missing. A button? It's a missing of a button? Oh God, yung echo, guys. Ooh, a mail. Remember where you were at ano? Remember where you were at the beginning. Ang pagkatanda ko nasa tren tayo. Right? Alam ko nasa tren tayo. I can't reach it. I can't reach it. Pero drone lang yun, no? Drawing lang ulit. Katulad nung oh, what's that? Stop it. Stop it. I'm an innocent man. Mama. Wag kayong maglaro. So it happens that once people start avoiding you, what? Another puzzle. I can't move anything. Ooh, a key! Wow, that's coming handy. Kapag pinindot natin to. Later. What do you mean later? Ito. Later. I feel like may ano yan dito. What is that? I'm friendly. Oh! What is it? Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah. Close. Ito ba? Oh, bakit ganito yung camera angle? No, I hate that. No, I hate that. No. No, why? Why do you like this? Why? Why? So, kung ifa-follow natin kung ano yung naka-draw dun, sabihin na ito yung kailangan natin buksan. What do you mean later? I'm so confused. What do you mean? Oh my god, I hate this. Oh, I see. Oh, teka, what? Oh, yeah, I remember. I came back here every time. Oh, it's getting loud. I don't feel... But even it's true. Oh, cinematic. Whoa, look around. Whoa, amazing. Your life doesn't mean the sunset. Whoa. You have to greet the sunrise. Yay! Once you are in the same place after a while, you will not go the same way. You'll change. Remember this. What I need to remember. Oh, everything changed. Yeah, everything don't do the same as like it was, right? It was left in the room. Now what we do? What we need to do? Buksan na natin to. Oh, this is different. Hi, man! Are you waiting for me to find the second key? Hey, if you need my help, don't scare me, okay? I'm going to help you. I can be your friend. We can be friend. If you want to, if you that you will do. Ah! Fine. I'm not scared. You scared. You scared. I'm not scared. Who's scared? Who's scared? I'm not scared. You scared. You scared. I'm scared. You scared. That you scared. You scared. I'm scared. What? So ba pwede natin ito buksan? Later pa din. What do you mean later? Bubuksan na ba natin to? Where do we go? I'm so confused. This is why I hate puzzle games. Kasi palagi akong lutang. Palagi akong lutang, guys. Oh, what is that? Oh, okay yun yan. Damn it. So, ito yung bagong room. Sabihin meron dito. If I'm not dumb. There's no more way to pass here. Where do I go? That's the question. Where do I go? Oh! Oh! A ladder. So, baka kailangan natin umakyat somewhere? No. Kailangan natin umakyat somewhere. Is there like something na vent? Ah, ito ba? Dito? Oh, I see. Oh! Oh, mama! Mama, I don't want to go. Ah! Ah! Okay, we're fine. Oh, what? People. Ah, sa ano? Sa... We're fine. Ay, hindi ko na makita. Ito nga. Guys, remember. Remember! Okay. Okay, we're fine. I feel like we can remember that. Pero saan natin maano yun? Di naman bukas yung elevator. Is it here? Doesn't work. Huh? I'm so confused. Saan natin maano yun? Ooh, I see something. What is that? Hey, what is that? Hey, what are you? Zoom! Ay, di. Makuha rin pala natin. What is that? Ah, note. Tutugtog tayo ng piano? Tutugtog tayo piano? 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 Tutugtog tayo piano? Piano? Tutugtog tayo piano? Hindi tayo tutugtog ng piano. Sure ka? Stop. Ah, ito. Yata. You can't move anything. Ito, baka pwede natin i-move. One, two, three. So, what? I'm so confused. What? Baka ito. Diba? I press that. Is it open here? It's closed. I feel like ito yun eh. I can't move anything. I'm so confused. It showed me this. But I can't do nothing about it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tama lang. So we are supposedly to know something. Ito ba? Oh, I see. Oh, gets. Right? Oh, I'm so confused. What do you mean? Ah, okay, that's... Okay, gets. Oh, so ito yung kukunin natin. Kasi yun yung mag-open sa door eh. Tapos ito... Tapos dito... Tapos ito. Saan to? I'm so confused. Dito? Ah, nakalimutan ko. Damn it! Sabi ko paalala nyo eh. Okay. So, ito. Tapos ito. Tapos ito. Tapos ayan. Oh, I see. Okay. Nag-open na! Hala! Nag-open na siya. Mama! Hello? Oh, god damn it. Ito na naman eh. Okay. Magkatabi lang sila. Oh, okay. Dali lang pala. Nasaan na yung door? Ayan na. Isang dot. Eto. Madali lang. Wait lang. Tapos, ito lang. Gaganyan lang natin. Ganyan lang. Yo, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, madali lang. Oh, bakit madilim? What do you mean? 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 Huwag ka kumatok. Ma. Oh, a button. Freeze. What that button do? It's the same. What that button do? What did that button do? What do you mean that button do? Magkano ba to? May kinalaman ba yan dyan? I'm so scared. Ooh. What did I just press? I press a button. Para saan yung button? What? I press a button. And what that button do? I'm so confused. What did the button do? Where do I go? Saan yung button? But what did the button do? Am I crazy? O nagbago na to? Oh. Hindi na natin pwede tingnan. Yo. I see. So, ano na yung kailangan natin tingnan? Eh, bukas na ba to? Woo! Bukas na! Hey! We are friends, right? Di yung kapag titingnan ko to, di ba? Nasa likod na kita. Okay? Taas. Oh, okay. Oh, this is easy. Okay, this is... Hi, man! What's up? Dali lang. We are fine. Dali lang naman maglaro ng scary games guys. Hindi nyo na kailangan ano yun? Di naman nakakatakot maglaro ng scary games. Parang ano lang to parang laro pang baby lang to Diba? Ano yun? Bukas na siya. Mamaya ka. Oh my god, I don't know where I go. What is this? Oh, I don't know. Tubig yun. Sa kaliwan, tubig yun. So, I feel like parang pinapakita niya yun nandun sa kabila. Ito, no? Yung sa kabila naman, parang mahigante na... Oh, God, no. Hindi. Okay. You know what? Hindi ko alam kung saan ako muna pupunta. Dito ako pupunta. Oh, crap. Am I supposed to go here? Wait lang. Punta muna tayo dito. Because I am so confused where I'm going to go. I don't know where to go. Oh, ito yung simula. Oo nga, diba? Oo nga. Ito nga yung pinakasimula. Oo nga, tama lang. Tama ba? Dito ba muna ako? What are you looking for in the past? I don't know. You let me go here. Hmm. I could open a little door here, but I can do it. What with the music? I'm not ready. I need to go on and find all the keys. Ah, ito yun. Also, parang ano lang to. Easter egg lang tong lugar na to. I say. Hmm. Wala ka na bang ibibilis sa paglakad? We're fine. We're fine. So, dito na talaga natin kailangan pumunta. Buti na di tayo pumunta dito agad. This is a room from my childhood. Well, oh, ayan na naman siya. Wow, this is amazing. Uy, key! Wait, yung key! I get the second key. So, parang marami ako nakikita na ano eh, na balloon. So, I feel like it's a birthday. The stage is illuminated with lights. I used to turn it on a lot when I was oh, ito nga, childhood phone. So, kailangan na natin bumalik dun sa elevator because we see this. Right? Wala na ba tayo kailangan dun? Yun lang, yun yung susi lang. Wala na ba tayong kailangan dito? Oh my God, beto, nanginginig ako ngayon, nanginginig ako. No jump scare, please. We're friends. Ah, mama! Hey! Ano ginagawa mo dyan? Hey! Saan ka? Where are you? Dito ka ba pumunta? Ah! Why did you do that? Oh crap. Tingin ka sa baba. Tumingin ka sa baba. Tumingin ka lang sa baba. Tumingin ka lang sa baba. Yun yung sikreto para hindi ka ma-jumpscare. Tumingin ka sa baba. Woo! Elevator. Oh, nagbabalik na naman tayo dito. You know what, guys? Kung gusto nyo akong makitang isalaksak dito yung isang susi, abangan nyo yung third episode. I'm so scared. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. And if you do, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell for more. And see you guys to the next video. Bye-bye!